Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to disable personalized ads on Twitter. Disabling personalized ads can give you more control over your privacy and reduce the amount of targeted advertisement you see. So, let's get started on how to disable personalized ads on Twitter. Start by opening the Twitter app on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on Settings and Support. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy and Safety. Scroll to Ad Preferences and tap on it. Tap on the toggle box next to Personalized Ads to disable it. And that's how you can disable personalized ads on Twitter. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.